In this video, we will learn how to open Taskbar apps in Windows. So let's start. So you can see the taskbar at the bottom of this window. The first application on the taskbar is a Microsoft Edge. The second one is a Chrome. And the third one is a folder. And the fourth one is a mailbox. So this is how you can count the taskbar apps. So you can use your mouse to double click on any application to open them. However, if you want to open this application using the shortcut key, so you can use it. The window logo key plus a number. For example, the window logo key plus 1, I just press here the window logo key plus 1. It's open the first application, the Microsoft Edge. Windows logo key plus 2, it's open the second application is a Chrome. Window logos key plus 3, it's open the third application is folder. So this is a way you can count and use the shortcut key with the Windows logo key. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.